Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's video I will pitch my favorite type of pool cleaner, the new Dolphin Premier Electronic Pool Cleaner brought to you by the engineers at Matronics. And the difference between this pool as well as traditional pool cleaners is this does not run on pressure. Old pool cleaners ran on water pressure, and you needed to provide that pressure with a auxiliary pump, and the auxiliary pump, when it's on, causes a lot of electricity to be wasted and therefore your energy bill to go up. So in this case we have an energy source where it plugs into your electrical outlet and will save you a lot of money. So as we take apart the Dolphin cleaner from the box, you'll see that it's really easy to maneuver around to get in and out of your pool, and it comes with a power source that the electrical line, which is insulated, plugs into the power source. The power source plugs into your wall, and that runs at a very economical rate. It only takes about 180 watts of energy to propel the Dolphin system, whereas a electronic motor will really drive up your energy costs. So as we're taking the system out of the box, it comes with microfilters. The microfilters catch really small debris, especially algae and other small contaminants. And the leaf bag, which will be in the bottom as we take it apart, that will take care of the larger particles like leaves and such. So the micro system, they'll have the design on the outside. The brackets go on the outside, where the fiber itself goes on the inside. It just snaps into place very easily, and it goes into the bottom of your Dolphin pool cleaner. As you can see, it comes with two sets so that one can be cleaned while we put the other one inside and have it zoom around your pool so you can have it nice and clean for your friends to come over. So as we finish up putting it together, it just slides onto the bottom. You'll see shortly the leaf catcher, the big leaf bags that go inside that will catch the big debris, and we're just going to put the microfilters inside first. It just clips in, and then we'll take away the rest of the packaging. You'll see that the wheels are replaced with a track that is filled with rubber brushes that will do a great job of brushing the sides of the walls as it goes up and down. It does have these little motors inside your system, and that propels the robot, not water pressure like it did traditionally. So the low wattage will allow you to run this longer and cheaper. It comes out to something like 5 cents an hour, which is a lot less than having a motor running the entire time. So all you need to do is drop your Dolphin system in the pool, set your timer up, and let it crawl around and clean your pool. If you are interested in one of these, click on the link below, and that'll take you to an Amazon link for you to buy it. But as you watch, you'll see how it climbs the walls and is very effective in getting the tiles scrubbed off as well as the debris picked up from the bottom. So again, if you'd like to save money, you might want to think about purchasing the Dolphin Premier system. I like it because it's very convenient, very lightweight, and it does an awesome job scrubbing the walls and taking care of the debris on the bottom of the pool. So hopefully you click the link and invest in something now that'll save you money later.